To trade memecoins, you will need an account, which can be obtained through a link that offers a 10% discount on all trading fees. Once you have your account, you can explore the feed to discover different coins, including trending ones and those available through polls. To find memecoins, you can click on the polls section, which lists new pairs, final stretch, and migrated memecoins. After selecting a coin to trade, you can choose to buy or sell it, using options such as buy directly, limit, or advanced, and customize your trading experience with presets and adjustable slippage priorities. Before placing an order, ensure you have Solana in your wallet, which can be deposited by sending it to the provided address. With your account set up and funded, you can start trading memecoins, buying and selling as you see fit. Remember to do your own research before making any trading decisions.